सो उससे आपके बिजनेस पे क्या इफेक्ट आ रहा है, एंड हाउ आर योर बिजनेस हेल्पिंग द न्यू एज एंड फर्स्ट टाइम पीपल?
So our business is primarily for people who are living in rental apartments, but they
Okay.
don't want to compromise on their lifestyle, which is like now the majority of Indians, because
Hmm.
we have seen a particular type of lifestyle even in our own houses, living, the way of living. So we are not able to compromise beyond a certain point of time. So for example, like now having a washing machine, TV, fridge, etc. in your house is
बेसिक,
basic. It's not
हाँ.
even, I would say, luxury now.
ना.
So you'll not compromise on that. But if you see the other way around, like what is available, so still like 70-80% of the apartments in the rental inventory which is available will have a modular wardrobes, will have a modular kitchen, and that's where they'll stop.
हाँ, वो तो.
Majority एक AC मिल जाएगा. That also is more of an NCR phenomena. In Bangalore, Mumbai, ACs are also not fitted in. So then everything else the tenant has to move,
हाँ, वो तो
bring in.
बिल्डर ही लगा के देता है, जैसे ही
Yeah,
कोई नया कॉम्प्लेक्स रेडी होता है आजकल तो मॉड्यूलर किचन और अलमारियां एसी तो बिल्डर ही
correct.
लगा के दे देता है.
हाँ.
तो वहां पे जो लोग रहने आते हैं फिर उनको आपकी जरूरत पड़ती है.
Correct. So now
ओके.
whoever is moving into that as a
टेनेंट.
tenant and doesn't want to compromise on his lifestyle, he comes to us. Secondly, if people are looking for flexibility and they're not sure that how long they are going to be in that same city, same job or same apartment, then they become a subscriber for City Furnish. And
ओके.
that's a very big enabler because now people don't want to be stuck to a particular city, job or an apartment. If for example, if I'm working in the tech sector and particularly I'm currently working in Gurgaon, if I get a better opportunity in Bangalore, I want to have that flexibility in my career to take that opportunity. I don't want to be bothered कि यार ये अपार्टमेंट मैंने खरीद लिया, ये सामान खरीद लिया और now उसकी वजह से मैं बंद गया. And that's a very 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 big driver for a lot of people in India right now, that कि वो इतना जल्दी बंदना नहीं चाह रहे. They
ऑल्सो
want to explore.
फर्नीचर के साथ मेरे को लगता है कि दो चीज़ें होती हैं. एक तो आप कुछ टाइम बाद अपने फर्नीचर से बोर हो जाते हो.
Correct.
सेकेंडली जब आपको बेचना हो तो आपके पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है, उसको तो उठा के फेंकना ही पड़ता है. आप
हाँ.
मतलब आप उसको बेच के कोई अपग्रेड नहीं कर सकते. कोई भी फर्नीचर वाला बायबैक नहीं करता.
Correct.
जैसे कार बायबैक हो के आप अपग्रेड कर ले, तो ऐसे फर्नीचर का नहीं होता, तो वो तो आपको फेंकना ही पड़ता है बिल्कुल.
Correct. So the two biggest things which you mentioned is that first, like a lot of people say कि okay, like I'll invest into furniture. I said you invest into things, or you use this word invest when thing appreciates.
Yeah.
I can guarantee and I can commit to anyone that you buy a sofa for whatever value, you'll not be able to sell in the same price also after 3 months also.
बिल्कुल
Forget
नहीं.
3 years or 5 years down the line. 3 महीने के बाद भी आप सेम प्राइस पे बेचने की कोशिश कर दो, उस पर भी नहीं जाता. So it's not an investment, it is an expense only. So you have to treat it and view it in the same way. सेम थिंग हैपेंस विद कार ऑल्सो. जैसे लोग बोलते हैं ना कि शोरूम से निकलते ही 25% वैल्यू तो वहीं ड्रॉप हो जाती है.
बिल्कुल हो जाते हैं.
Sort of the same thing happens with furniture
फर्नीचर
also.
ऑल्सो.
The bigger problem which now happens, and now sort of linking to that first lifestyle issue, is that ki, why do you want to get stuck? Like furniture के अंदर ना the biggest thing view is that excitement missing है.
ओके.
The way I look into is that कि आप अगर अपना फ़ोन अपग्रेड करते हो, आप लैपटॉप अपग्रेड करते हो, इवन स्नीकर्स बाय करते हो, एटसेट्रा करते हो, यू हैव दैट फ्लॉन्ट फैक्टर. I got a new Mac, I got a new iPhone, I bought Jordan sneakers and etc. फर्नीचर मोर और लेस सेम प्राइस में आप खरीद रहे हो. तो आज एवरेज अच्छा 3 सीटर या सोफाज खरीदने जाओगे, वो इजीली एक आईफोन के बराबर 1 लाख तक टच कर जाएगा. बट आपके पास वो फ्लॉन्ट फैक्टर नहीं आता है. द फ्लॉन्ट फैक्टर नहीं आने का रीज़न है यू कांट कीप अपग्रेडिंग दैट. आप एक बार वो 1 लाख का सोफा लोगे और वो शायद तक चलता जाएगा पता नहीं कितने टाइम तक, एंड यू आर सॉर्ट ऑफ स्टक विद दैट. आईफोन में यू विल कीप अपग्रेडिंग दैट. आज आईफोन 13 है, नेक्स्ट विल बी 16 है, नेक्स्ट विल बी 19 और वट एवर, and you will keep having that excitement factor of upgradation or not being stuck with that same iPhone.
Yeah.
That is what we are trying to bring in with City Furnish. That you can keep switching your furniture or your appliances, and you don't need to get stuck with that same furniture for your life. So you're not supposed to be married to your furniture. That is our ethos and that's our like messaging कि किसी ने नहीं बोला है कि आपको अपने फर्नीचर से बंध के रहना है या शादी करके रहना है. आप हर साल चेंज करो, and there is no extra cost. When you are renting with us or you are subscribing with us, you'll pay the same cost every year and you can change every year without any extra cost.
Oh, excellent.
That's the beauty of the model.
एंड अगर किसी को सिटी चेंज करनी पड़ जाए, जैसे बैंगलोर से गुड़गांव या गुड़गांव से मुंबई, फिर कैसे होता है?
We have free relocation also, so zero cost. हम यहाँ से सामान पिकअप करते हैं in Mumbai. Whenever you finalize your apartment, we'll deliver either the same designs or different designs, whatever you choose at that time, and you have a completely new home setup done.
Excellent.
And the beauty is that all of that is done within like 48 to 72 hours. Now, with quick commerce का trend coming in, people are becoming less and less patient also.
Yeah,
So
I
अब किसी
agree.
को वो नहीं है कि मैं अपने घर पे कारपेंटर बिठाऊं, फिर वो महीने भर तक काम करेगा और उसके बाद फर्नीचर रेडी होएगा. Your patience is very less. Even
Yeah.
2-day delivery is sort of becoming a people बोलते
Forever
कि
now.
हाँ मतलब, and you think about it, it was just 9 months back जहाँ people used to be like कि wow, 2-day
2
delivery
days.
happens in, or same day delivery happens on Amazon and all, and now just 9 months down the road we are like okay, everything is supposed to come in 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
So that's the beauty of how the ecosystem is developing.
Patience level is going down and down.
And this is like after a considerable time period, I would say कि एक अच्छा consumer behavior shift आया है. So I think e-commerce was one thing which majorly came in 2016-17, and then वो एक normal बन गया था कि ठीक है 2-day delivery is a normal trend, and now this 10 minutes delivery or sort will sort of become a normal trend.
But I think this is only in India. मतलब यूएस में या इवन डेवलप्ड कंट्री में भी अगर आप जाते हो, यू कैन नॉट गेट अ 10 मिनट डिलीवरी. आप कहीं चले जाओ, सिर्फ इंडिया के अंदर जैसे अमेजोन आया था, अमेजोन ने 1 डे डिलीवरी का ट्रेंड शुरू किया. इट स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम यूएस एंड देन केम टू इंडिया. बट ये 10 मिनट डिलीवरी वाला कॉन्सेप्ट ये इंडिया ने आई थिंक फर्स्ट टाइम डेवलप किया है, और अब शायद दूसरे लोग इसको कॉपी करने की कोशिश करेंगे.
सो डेवलप डेफिनेटली नहीं किया था, बट इसको प्रॉफिटेबली स्केल खाली इंडियन कंपनीज कर पाई है, एंड फॉर अ वेरी सिंपल रीजन दैट पॉपुलेशन वर्क्स इन आवर फेवर, सिटीज डेंसिटी वर्क इन आवर फेवर. जनरली जो बाकी सब चीज़ों में अपने लिए नेगेटिव आता है, हियर इट वर्क्स द अदर वे अराउंड. If you will see, like if you are living in a congested community or a society, which generally are all metro cities, then within 2 kilometer radius, majority of people are staying.
Yeah.
And अगर आप वहाँ dark stores खोल के सर्विस कर रहे हो, that works very well in your favor. So and you have a good population who are looking for like employment opportunities and etc. So both things work in favor of India.
So कल को ऐसे भी होगा कि आपको सोफा चाहिए और बेड चाहिए और 10 मिनट्स के अंदर सिटी फर्निश डिलीवर कर देगा.
Like, definitely we have to figure out the supply chain for that, and we are the only players जो पूरा full stack model पे work करता है. We already operate our own fulfillment centers and etc. So logically speaking, we can do that. We still have to figure it out कि how to make the unit economics work there. But like it can happen if the user. I think like again YC का learning है कि if user will ask for something in 10 minutes, you have to do it. It's the other way around. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं कर सकता हूँ नहीं कर सकता हूँ. अगर वो norm बन जाएगा कि 10 minutes में user का expectation है to get something, you have to achieve that. Or if you won't do that, your competitor will do it, and he'll have a better right to win the market, and you'll not survive. So yeah.
So going forward, this trend of renting furniture, you're seeing a positive trend and you're seeing it going upward, the demand wise, या आप उसको push करते हो या अब organically भी demand आती है?
It works both ways. Since inception, we have been growing 100% year on year every year, leaving aside the COVID period, because obviously at that time people were not coming into metro cities. We've been growing 100% year on year, complete tenure, complete life cycle of City Furnish. The way we look into it is that it's a two-pronged problem. First problem is that people still don't have access to awareness at a large scale that this is an alternative to buying. So we still have to crack that, and that's like a challenge / opportunity for us. That like in quick commerce, there is so big players, so everyone knows that 10-minute delivery exists. In furniture rental, there is no like such a level big player that everyone knows that furniture subscription is available in the market. Once that is there, then the conversion is pretty easy, because in terms of affordability, flexibility, and easiness in terms of lifestyle, we are much better than buying. Even if you compare with a normal no-cost EMI on a Amazon or Flipkart, we are 50 to 60% cheaper than a normal no-cost EMI also.
Wow.
And you have more benefits in terms of service. You have free relocation, free swap, free upgrade. So then the cycle becomes easier for us. So it's just the first layer we have to crack. If we are able to crack the awareness layer, then the conversion cycle is not a problem.
Excellent.